Good morning, good morning. It's Wednesday morning, and like I was saying earlier this week, well, I guess I was saying yesterday and the day before. So this is supposed to be the heavy week, right? I think that's what this is definitely the heavy week. But I've been telling you guys that I need to move some stuff from the heavy week to the light week, right? I've been telling you that for a couple of weeks now. And one thing I need to get, and I'm going to get, is I'm going to get some glasses that aren't so dark. These glasses are too dark. You miss a lot of stuff with these dark glasses, man. So basically, what I've done is we had yards Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then, Thursday was going to start lightening up. And then, because we haven't had rain and we haven't had anything, so we've been able to work every day, which is good, but it really hurts you if you don't get no rain, because you're calculating a rain day. You have to, So what ends up happening, y'all, is we don't get rain, we're able to work. We don't get rain, stuff don't grow. But we're able to work every day. So it really hurts you on two ends there. It's something that I have known for years. And you got to kind of, I don't know. We got a taste of rain yesterday, but it wasn't enough to do anything. It didn't even get the road hardly wet. So, with this week being the heavy week, and I pushed a few of the lawns off to next week because right now, with it not raining and things are not growing real fast, I'm able to maneuver things before they do start growing real fast. And so somebody that was every 2 weeks, this rotation here, it might be 3 weeks on some, in order to get some of the yards from this week to next week. But you got to pick which ones. It can be a little bit daunting, a little bit complicated too. I mean, I know guys, looking at the channel, how complicated can it be, Ray? Well, keep in mind, I'm trying to make the top dollar out here. I'm not trying to spend time, energy, and effort doing things and then having to do them again, or having to ride out of my way to do anything that I can do when I'm on my way. So yeah, that's a whole nother video. But today I'm taking the skid steer, me and Chucky, and I got Toby. He's doing 2 yards that requires a push mower. So basically what we're going to do is he's doing one in my neighborhood, and then he's going to come over here where I'm at. He'll work for a few hours over there, and then he'll leave there when we get done this afternoon, and he'll go do one that is right over there where we're at, that requires the push mower. So then tomorrow and the next day, we won't have to be push mowing any yard. And we got these 2 out of the way. This one right here really is a filler, but it requires a little more time because of the push mowing. And so does the other one. The other one is where me and the young buck was over there in the skid steer a couple months ago. So yeah, but the goal is to make money every day, so I'll probably make about $1,100 today. I'll give Toby a couple hundred, 180, something like that, and he'll be home at, he'll be done around 2:30, and that'll fill in a day that we would be cutting grass, but we're not cutting grass, but we're making even more money than we would if we were cutting grass. So basically, I moved everything that was on Wednesday, I moved it to Thursday, because the skid steer work is time sensitive because the guy's in town right now. So, and if I can get more than 1 day out of him, then I will. But you never know. But tomorrow we'll be back to cutting grass, and Friday. What this does is this fills in a day to where now we got a full solid week of not missing nothing, you know, and we're getting everything done too. So let me get over here, and I'll try to get some footage, you know, when I get over here on anyway, yeah, so we're probably gonna be doing some typical stuff that we do over here, just brush cutting. I got the grinder cutter on here. I got a phone call from the ex-president of the HOA over here yesterday afternoon. They got a lot of baby mama drama between them, and I don't, you know, I'm a contractor, man. I don't really give a damn about none of that. I'll cut the grass, you pay me, and it doesn't have to be any more complicated than that. But it seems that there's a lot of personal stakes going on over here, power plays and all that, and I don't really care about all that, to be honest, man. You know, so apparently they had a board meeting last night, and the president got fired. He's not the president no more. So, and that's the guy that, well, he's the guy that was pushing them to find another landscaper that was cheaper. And I just don't think that you're gonna find anybody much cheaper. Go over there next week. I'm still waiting on a check from them. You know, but anyway, he called me last night, said he's no longer the president, and that, and I'm like, okay, you know, it doesn't matter to me. I mean, I don't know how to say that and not sound like an asshole. Y'all know I can sound like an asshole, and I mean, because at the end of the day, I don't really care about none of that, right? I cut the grass, you pay me. I got enough things to think about, trying to make a profit out here, trying to not work any harder than I have to, trying to be a G. And all that baby mama drama knocked the G down, man, because that's too much shit on my brain, man. And it doesn't do anything. Like I said yesterday, I'm not gonna do the HOA any different than I did last year. And that's where I'm at. It's just crazy. But I'll get footage over here, y'all. Okay, y'all, so y'all remember this property? It was over here earlier. We're gonna run back up into this stuff right here. Let me creep up in here and see what I can do real quick, y'all. I'm about to close the door though. Yeah, a lot of those vines are dead, man. They might be able to pull some of them out. But I told them I'd do this over here first. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna put you guys up somewhere right here and set the camera up, and I'm gonna clear the area behind the house. What a mess, huh? See, I'm looking at it from right here, and I'm thinking, get this right here. That.
Okay, but
Up in here is a lot of rock, but if I get right here, I'm talking about that growth, all that growth right there. doing pretty good. Down here I'm going to clear out behind. There's a couple of tractor trailers down here, and we're going to get access to the back of them. We'll try this new mount right here and hope that hope we don't lose the camera. Seems to be. Y'all, so I got a little bit of footage over there, but I'm irritated. Dude, he gets a good deal, and then he dragging my time. I mean, it took him 30 minutes to come back up to the truck and pay me. So I don't like that shit, man. I was supposed to be gone 35, 40 minutes ago. It's irritating as hell, man, when you over there trying to do somebody a solid. But we had a good day, man. I got a lot done, man. And best thing is, nothing broke. I didn't break nothing. I ran the hell out of that machine today, man. I had that machine working, boy. Get this thing parked. washed off, put up, and we'll go cut some grass. So anyway, man, you know, I'm just irritated, man. I need to get something to eat in me, man. Deuces.